Hello, my friend, and welcome to today's episode. Let me ask you a question. How many times have you tried to improve your English only to feel stuck? Maybe you bought grammar books, joined a class, or watched endless YouTube videos, but your progress felt slow. Well, today I'm going to show you something different, something new, something powerful. Artificial intelligence, AI. You've probably heard about AI tools like ChatGPT, voice assistants, or language apps. But what you may not know is this. If you use them the right way, AI can completely transform how fast and well you learn English. So in this episode, we'll explore how AI can become your personal teacher, your practice partner, and even your coach, available 24/7. Traditional learning methods are useful, but they have limits. A class happens at a fixed time. A teacher can't be with you all day. Friends might not correct your mistakes, but AI is different. AI is always there, and AI adapts to you. Think about it like this. Imagine you have a private English tutor who never sleeps, never gets tired, and always answers your questions instantly. That's what AI can be. With AI, you can practice speaking without feeling embarrassed, get corrections in real time, learn at your own pace, and personalize lessons based on your goals. AI doesn't judge, it doesn't laugh, it just helps you get better day by day. Let's get practical. Here are some ways you can start using AI today. Number 1. Conversation practice. Open an AI chatbot like ChatGPT and say, pretend you are a native English speaker and have a casual conversation with me. You can practice daily conversations, ordering coffee, meeting new people, or even job interviews. The AI will respond naturally, and you'll get to practice fluency. Number 2, grammar and writing correction. You can write a short paragraph and just paste it into AI and ask, correct my grammar and explain the mistakes. Then you'll be able to see your weak points immediately and learn faster. Number 3, vocabulary expansion. Ask AI, teach me 10 new words about travel, business, or daily life. Then say, use them in sentences. Finally, test yourself by writing your own sentences. Number 4, listening and pronunciation. Many AI apps now use voice. You can practice speaking, and the AI gives you feedback on pronunciation. For listening, ask AI to generate short dialogues and read them aloud with text. And finally, number 5, customized lessons. Tell AI your level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Tell it your goal, like, I want to understand movies, or I want to pass the IELTS. AI can create a personalized learning plan for you. Now, let's imagine a day. You wake up in the morning, you open your AI app and say, good morning. Correct my sentence if I make a mistake. you have a 5-minute conversation about your plans for the day. Boom. You already practiced speaking and you've not even had breakfast yet. Later, you write an email for work. You paste it into AI, correct this email, and make it sound professional. Instant feedback. Your writing improves every single day. In the evening, you want to relax. You tell AI, recommend a short story in simple English. You read it, then ask the AI questions if you don't understand. Before bed, you say, ask me 5 English questions to test my vocabulary today. It quizzes you, corrects you, and even congratulates you. That's a full day of learning without ever stepping foot into a classroom. Here's the catch, though. AI is powerful, but only if you use it consistently. Set a schedule. 10 to 20 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Track your progress. Write down new words. Keep a journal or record your speaking. Challenge yourself. Ask AI to increase the difficulty step by step. Mix it up. Practice speaking, writing, listening, and reading, not just one skill. Remember, AI is a tool. The results depend on how disciplined you are. I want to leave you with a challenge for the next 7 days. You need to do this, okay? Day 1, you're going to have a 10-minute conversation with AI about your day. On day 2, write a paragraph and then ask AI to correct it. Day 3, learn 10 new words from AI and use them in sentences. Day 4, record your voice and ask AI for pronunciation tips. Day 5, read a story with AI and explain it back in your own words. Day 6, take a quiz created by AI on what you learned this week. And finally, day 7, reflect. Write a page about how AI helped you, then let AI correct it. Do this, and I promise you'll notice real progress in just 1 week. So here's the truth. English is not learned by magic. It is learned through practice, correction, and consistency. AI gives you the chance to practice more, get corrected instantly, and stay motivated without pressure. The future of learning is here, and it's in your pocket. The only question is, will you use it? So start today and open your AI tool. Write a sentence, start a conversation, and let this technology help you become fluent. Because 1 year from now, your future self will thank you. Thank you for listening, and if this episode helped you, share it with a friend who also wants to learn English. And remember, discipline plus AI equals fluency. Goodbye for now.